Sean Arthur. I'm a regional sales manager with Environmental Tillage Systems. We're commonly known for the SoilWarrior as the piece of equipment that we've built a reputation on for many years now. This is our 20-year anniversary as a company. We're focused solely on strip tillage. That's where all of our efforts are going. Everybody within the company has a laser-focused goal of working with farmers, helping implement strip tillage, and helping it be profitable on their farm. Yeah, Environmental Tillage Systems has been working with Hula and Dowdy for many years now. We've been with Total Acre ever since the inception of this program. Both of those guys have worked with SoilWarrior, used it on their own farms. They have seen the benefits that can come from strip till, and then specifically what a SoilWarrior can do to help them provide that unmatched seed bed and then the fertilizer implementation right into that strip. It's been great to see the success that they've had on their own farms and then watch them cascade that information out to the Total Acre group. Total Acre is a group of producers that are really focused on improving their operation. They're coming here with the mindset of finding ways to improve what they're doing, push yields higher, and improve efficiencies, which is really what using strip tillage and SoilWarrior is all about. We've got some producers that are focusing on really managing that input and trying to be as effective as they can with those dollars they're putting into their fertilizer, as well as the tillage operation as they go across the field. But we're also trying to push yields higher. Hula's been using this on his own farm. The world record corn yield that he achieved was behind one of our machines. So it's been so exciting to see just how high we can push these yields, and he's definitely proven it. Strip tillage is one of the fastest growing practices in agriculture right now, and it's because most of the technology is already implemented on many of these farms. The utilization of GPS equipment and auto steer technology has farmers precisely placing their corn crop or soybeans, whatever they're growing out there. They know exactly where those rows are going to be. So by pairing that along with the fertilizer application, the tillage that we're doing, it allows us to really improve what we're doing as a better stewardship practice out there. We've got some of the benefits of no-till. They're going to be between the rows, that area that's not getting disturbed. But then in that strip, we're creating a zone that is unmatched. Having that fertility mixed in there, having the soil tilth just loosened up and giving you that opportune chance for that crop to get started. A little bit about how we work, or how I specifically work with these growers. Everybody's coming from a different place when they start the conversation exploring what a SoilWarrior can do for them. We're not a one-size-fits-all cookie-cutter type of machine. Even though we have a lot of consistency with what we offer to farmers, many of those machines are set up in a very similar way just because of how wide of range of conditions we can work into. We don't ever assume that we know what the customer's looking for. So when somebody comes and they're asking about strip tillage and maybe introducing that into their operation, we start out with a lot of questions. Where are they coming from? What are their goals? What are they trying to achieve by this? And in many situations, we find out that a SoilWarrior can be a great fit for them. This might be something that most of these growers are already doing, but I'd ask them to take a step back and really objectively criticize everything that they're doing. Evaluate whether or not these decisions that they're making for each step of the way for their farm are really paying the bills. Whether it's the inputs that they're putting out there, the tillage practice like we can offer here by implementing strip tillage, but everything that you're doing on your farm, is it meeting the goals for what you want? And I think when we look at the tillage aspect of it and fertilizer placement, that's where the intuitive value of strip till comes. We're focusing it, doing it as best as we can right where that seed zone is going to be, putting the fertility there, and again, just question what you're doing on your farm. It doesn't mean that you have to be ready to throw it out, but really understand if it's meeting your goals, and then how you can learn from that going forward.